is day 15 of our English speaking challenge, and in today's video I am going to show you something interesting. So after thinking a lot, I was unable to find a topic video for today's video, so I decided to show you something interesting. uh, I have been making videos since a long time, almost 15 days. Probably you have seen this cube in my background. Uh, Maybe you know how to solve it or not, but when I was in my 12th class, I learned it with my friends how to solve it. I also have another one. This is called Rubik cube 3 by 3, and this one is 4 by 3. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how can I solve, am I able to solve it in under 1 minute or not. I'm going to solve this now. This one, I was just showing you 4 by 4 Rubik cube. So as I told you, when I was in my 12th class, I start learning it, and one of my teacher tell me that I am really a genius because I can solve this Rubik cube. But after learning some formulas, yeah, to solve it, we have different formulas. You can also learn them and learn how to solve this cube. So when I solved this cube in front of my school teacher, he told me I am really a great genius, and I think he was right. For today's video, I am going to solve this. Let me tell you, uh, it has many different sections. Like it is 3 by 3. So the first layer is called first layer. This is also top layer. And this one is second layer, and totally is third layer. When we complete all different layers, the Rubik cube got solved completely. So when I learned it, and when I was at my peak, when I was learning it, so I was able to solve it under 1 minute, around 56 or 57 seconds. So let's see, after a long time, I today I picked this one before shooting this video, and I just practiced for one time really, and I'm going to solve this now with the help of a timer. Will I able to solve this under 1 minute or not? So let me mix it first in different without seeing or looking. I'm not looking at this. You can see. Now it is totally scrambled. Let's see. Let's see. Will I able to solve this in under 1 minute or not? Let me assemble. Some there is a word to make it mix. I think assemble. No, disassemble. Not this one. So let's say, will I able to solve this under 1 minute or not? My target will be 55 seconds, but also I have been not practicing since a long time. It could be more than 1 minute, but I will try to solve it under 55 seconds. So 3, 2, 1, and go. Here I go. Yeah, timer got started. Let me start. I don't think I will be able to complete it, but let me check. 1 minute and 12 seconds. Yeah, I was unable to meet my target. Should I try it again? Let me check the video length. It's already had been 5 minutes. I will solve it in upcoming videos under 1 minute, and I will try to attempt my lowest time under 55 seconds. This is all for today, and if you also want to solve it, first you will need to buy a cube, and later on you can search online videos to how to solve it. This is all for today. If you like the video and my interesting small skill, like this video and comment, can you do it or not? So this is all for today. Let's tomorrow I will show you something another interesting thing, or give my or shoot my video on another topic. Thank you. Comment me, can you do it